Heck yeah. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. My name is Abby and I am joining the army. So I just finished my protein shake and it was delicious. But before I get into my second breakfast, we need to talk about this whole scale situation. So the last time I weighed in for you guys, which was in my first comeback video here, I weighed in at 161. And today I weighed in at, do you see it? 159. So from my last weigh-in, I lost 2 pounds. Today, after a full week from the 161, I have eaten a normal amount of calories. If you saw my last vlog, you would know that I had kind of a couple cheat meals or treat meals over the weekend because it was my anniversary with my boyfriend. So the fact that I weighed in at 159 today with all of what I just said makes me think that I'm actually finally dropping weight again. I figured after I had this super positive weigh-in that I would go ahead and film a what I eat in a day video. I started at 239 pounds. I now weigh 159 pounds. That means I have lost 80 pounds. I do track my calories, but through doing that, I have learned to eyeball portion sizes a lot, or serving sizes. And so, yeah, I think what I'm doing is working. So I'm about to make my second breakfast. I'll bring you along with me throughout the day. I hope you enjoy this video. If you want to see more videos like this, or vlogs, or stuff about my future army career, go ahead and subscribe. And if you like this video, like it down below. And yeah, that's all for now. Let's get into it.
And you know what works for you, then you introduce it back in.
Okay, so I just have my bacon on a little paper towel, and I would put this on a plate usually, but alas. So we're gonna put that on, and I'm going to put some mayo on here. If you think I'm weird, I don't care. Want like 7 grams. Doo doo doo. Boom. Alright, so I'm gonna assemble my sandwich. I also have some black olives because I had them in the fridge and I want to use them up and I love them. So if you're gonna come for me, you think I'm weird, whatever. I'm secure in my breakfast choices. So I'm gonna eat my breakfast. I just made some lemon water, and I figured most people know that these exist, but they're just like little flavor shot thingies. They have 0 calories and they just make water more exciting. And with my breakfast, I'm gonna take my daily vitamins. That's what's in this mug. My family does and has done forever naturopathic medicine, so I have some things in here that could honestly take a whole video to explain, but some things that for every woman that I personally would say you should take every day. I have no qualifications to tell you that. These are chewable vitamin C's. These are gummy probiotics, and then I also have spirulina tablets in here, which I don't really know what it does, but everyone on YouTube loves spirulina. And then also vitamin D, magnesium. Those are both good if you work out a lot. And then also fish oil for women. It's really good for your joints, your hair, all that good stuff. So I'm gonna eat this and I'll catch up with you later in the day. Hello, we took a nap. I didn't tell you this morning, but when I had made that protein shake this morning, I had already worked out and everything, so hence why I needed a protein shake. I'm gonna head to the music building in about 45 minutes to go ahead and practice. And then while I'm practicing, Dave's last class is happening, and then we'll come home and have dinner together. So I'm just gonna get some stuff ready for dinner because we are going to have chicken tacos, so I need to marinate the chicken. So this marinade is like the easiest thing ever. Just gonna get a big glass bowl. I can't really move my camera, so I'll just show you here. And literally I'm just gonna put like a drizzle in here, like a teaspoon. Just like a boop. So you have the olive oil in there, and then I'm gonna start with 1 lime. If you roll your citrus first, it kind of allows the inside to break up so that it's more easily juiced. Then when you put citrus in, put it down, in case you didn't know. And here, these are green onions. This is chopped cilantro. These are both for on top of the tacos also, but in the marinade, we're gonna put just like a pinch of fresh cilantro. And then the last thing is kind of optional, but we tried this last time and really liked it. And this is just a packet of fajita seasoning. And as you can see, like the whole packet is still almost full. Like I'm literally just gonna sprinkle in the tiniest bit. Like about that. I'd call it a teaspoon. Go ahead and whisk it up. Make sure you mix this in the bowl before you add the chicken in, just so everything gets properly distributed. So that step is taken care of. The other only real step besides like assembling everything for these tacos is to make this slaw. So we love this Asian chopped salad kit from Aldi. That's what it looks like. So as you would imagine, this salad kit comes with all the fixins. We're just gonna take the slaw, pour it into a bowl. It comes with this sesame, like ginger dressing, and then these, I think they're like wonton strips, but we don't use those. So what you're gonna need for this is the dressing it comes with, another lime, some mayo, and some honey. So here's what it's looking like. It might be weird to you, but it's super good and a nice fresh topping for our tacos. So we're gonna leave this to marinate for a couple hours, and I'm gonna pop these in the fridge, and I'll show you when we make tacos. Okay, and the real reason I came into the kitchen was because I wanted a snack. So I'm gonna have a nectarine and a serving of these Parmesan crisps. These are so good. I mentioned them in my grocery haul, but they also have 13 grams of protein in them, so I'm here for it. So Dave just put the chicken in the oven. Good job. We went to Dexter Cider Mill the other day, and we got some apple cider, so I'm gonna have some of this before dinner, but I'm just gonna measure it on the scale, so, you know. Okay.
How's that?
You can turn it off.
Okay. Take your time. I'm patient.
So, Paul, Mary, that basically defines all the water picture.
You've got 2¼ hours to go, Bakers.
Just one more.
Just going to pop this on your pocket, so this is a